Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Xero software for accounting. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your bank account to your Xero accounting software? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your bank account to Xero anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or even an in-person business, you know that managing your books can be quite annoying. And with Xero, you can link your bank account so a lot of the transactions can be organized automatically. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Xero account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your bank account, you're going to click here on the top, accounting. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click on this button here, bank accounts. Okay, once you do that, you want to look for this button here, add bank account. Okay, so next what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look for your particular bank account in order to link it to your Xero. So they do list off the most popular banks. So for me, I bank with Chase. However, if you don't see your bank here, you can easily just type it in right here and just do a search. So let's see here. So if you type in Peoples, you see all of these pop up. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and just choose Chase. And then next you want to click on the bank name. Okay, now they do let you know in order to connect your bank, you do need to log into your bank, and that's going to give Xero access to your bank account to automatically log your transactions. So I'm going to click on log in and connect accounts. Okay, now it's opening up a Chase browser. Okay, now it opened up a browser for Chase. So depending on which bank you bank with, the process is going to be just slightly different, but it's basically the same. You're going to need to log in. Your bank's going to ask you if it's okay to share information with Xero. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my Chase username and password and sign in. Okay, now Chase is asking if it's okay to connect my bank account to Xero accounting software. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, now they're letting me know Xero wants to know this information about my accounts. So balances, transactions, account names. So I'm going to click on next. Now, if you have multiple accounts with that bank, they're going to ask you which accounts you want to share with Xero. For me, I'm just going to share this account right here. All right, once you've chosen, go ahead and click on next. Okay, once again, your bank is going to warn you that Xero is asking for this data to be shared with them. If you're okay with that, click on connect my accounts. Okay, next I get this pop-up inside Xero saying that they were able to connect with my Chase. So now they're asking if I want to go ahead and add this bank account as a new bank account, or you can open this up and click on don't connect if it's a bank account that you don't want to add into your Xero. For me, I'm going to go ahead and add a new bank account and click on continue. Okay, next Xero's asking how many transactions that I would like to import from my Chase account. So I'm recording this on November 6th. It's going to go back to November 1st. If you want to import more transactions, just click on this date. And here you can go ahead and choose how far back you want Xero to go. So for me, November 1st is totally fine. So I'm going to click on finish. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now it brings me right back here to my dashboard. And as you can see, my Chase account is now linked to my Xero account. So I can go ahead and start categorizing transactions that come through this account. Also, if I want to set up rules or reconcile, I can go ahead and click on these three dots and then choose from these options here with that bank that I attached to my Xero account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your bank account to your Xero account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.